Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Jason and I recently joined a collab, and it's through our friend Gail at Gailssouthernliving. The collab is called the Garden Tour Club. There will be monthly giveaways, and it's an open collab. You too can join Gail's collab just by emailing her at gailssouthernliving@yahoo.com. The collab runs from March till August. Gail's channel and the Garden Tour Club playlist will be in our description. So many different climates and so many different ways of gardening. I hope you follow along. The irises are popping up. The kale's growing again. The tiger lilies are popping up. Birds are making birdhouses. Our mullein is starting to grow. Whoop, whoop. The tulips are coming up. Daffodils. The crocus are blooming. Hi everyone. Welcome back to P&J's Homestead Adventure. This is our garden, and it's patiently waiting for spring to actually arrive. Here in New York State, we can't even plant our garden until Memorial Weekend. So I'll be starting my seeds pretty soon for the garden. 8 weeks in the sunroom and they're ready to go outside. If you guys have been with us for a little while, you'll know that this is the coneflower. And she will be dug up this year, and we will go put her out front. Now that there is sun and those big trees are gone, I can start moving these beautiful perennials out front. These are our butterfly bushes. We have 4 really nice ones. The greenery is already starting to come back. And 2 of these will be moved to the front of the house. Very excited about that. In this section of the garden, it is all our perennials. So we have our lavender and our lemon balm. There's chives, sage, and then mint. This is our rhubarb. It'll be popping up soon. Here in New York State, we don't have good weather yet, but some things are popping up. Getting some green. That is the columbine, which also will be moving up front. There is a yellow daylily, and hopefully she will be coming up. These are our barrels. And I always do carrots in the barrels, and flowers, and my beets. These are our pepper plants from last year. You never know, sometimes they come back, sometimes they don't, depends on the winter. But, you know, I'll just break it and throw it into the compost pile or put it in the fire pit. I've been gardening since I was like 5, and this is the best way to garden for me, is the mound system, raised beds, whatever you want to call it. These are all layers of soil and compost and coconut coir. I never get weeds on our mounds because I don't play with the dirt, except for scooping dirt out when I go to plant these peppers. It's the only time I touch the dirt. Everything else is layers. The less you play with your dirt, the less weeds you will have. Why? Because you're not spreading those weeds. Let me show you one. Here is a weed. Oh, and it's lovely, isn't it? It's so pretty. And you see the little flower? That flower will then become seed, and then it's going to drop its seed in my garden. The squirrels like to plant little things for me. So that we'll go ahead and dig up right by the root. There you go. Perfect. This is the asparagus bed. It looks like a bunch of weeds, but that's asparagus. And this year when it comes back, we actually will be able to eat it because it'll be on its third year. The asparagus needs to reseed itself for at least 3 years, and then you're able to start picking it and eating it. So this was where the artichokes were, and we're hoping to get lucky and the artichoke plants will come back. But if they don't, we have seeds from our own artichoke plants. Probably going to start some just to be safe. The mason bees should start coming out soon. The magnolia tree is budding.